Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we have an unboxing video of the CUAV SKYE 2 Airspeed Sensor Meter. The CUAV SKYE 2 features a highly integrated design, intelligent de-icing and drainage, and the new M4C linear structure with smart precise heating, excellent vibration resistance, low temperature drift, and high accuracy. The SKYE 2 measures 102 mm x 28.2 mm x 30.50 mm and weighs 9 g. It operates on a voltage range of 16-68 V, supports a temperature range of -20 to 125 degrees Celsius, and can measure a pressure range of plus or minus 6,895 pascals. The SKYE 2 Intelligent Airspeed Meter integrates a high-performance MCU processing unit, low-temperature differential pressure sensor, humidity sensor, and dual temperature compensation system. Compared to the previous generation, the new M4C intelligent heating strategy enables drones to easily operate in low-temperature environments. The low-temperature drift and high vibration resistance of the pressure sensor ensure accurate airspeed data in various conditions, ensuring flight safety. This airspeed sensor supports 68 V voltage input and features a high-power 35 W probe temperature compensation system. It intelligently controls probe heating, de-icing, and drainage based on ambient temperature and humidity, minimizing data errors caused by ice and probe blockage, greatly enhancing the reliability of drone operations. The new M4C intelligent heating strategy allows for precise heating, melting ice, and draining water, facilitating operations in low-temperature environments. Its new linear structure design reduces wind resistance and provides a tighter connection with an IP54 protection rating. The built-in drainage hole automatically expels excess rainwater during flight, offering comprehensive rain splash protection. CUAV SKYE 2 Airspeed Sensor Meter, SKYE 2 HV Hub. Included wires: XT30 power cable, CAN data cable, airspeed sensor cable. That's all the contents of the box. Thank you for watching. For more information, please stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.